Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify black screen issue on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you are going through the black screen issue on your Spotify application, then here are some easy fixes you could try out. The first thing you'll need to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. The most common cause of Spotify black screen issue is your connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi or a cellular data, or simply connect to one of them. If you're not being able to connect, turn on your flight mode and wait for at least 60 seconds. Now, turn off your flight mode and get connected to an internet. Once you are connected, go back to Spotify app and you might be able to solve your issue right away. You can also try restarting your router to refresh your Wi-Fi and connect once again if it still does not work. Now, the next thing to do is to check if you have the latest version of Spotify app downloaded on your Android. To do that, simply go to your Play Store and in the search box, type in Spotify and search. If you see an open button, that means you've already updated your Spotify app. If you see an update button, tap on update and download the latest version of Spotify application and launch it open by tapping open. Go to your home screen and you might be able to solve your issue. If that still does not work, clear out cache data from your Spotify application. Tap on your settings from your Android system. Scroll down and tap on apps. Find Spotify from the list of the applications displayed on the screen and tap it on. Tap Force Tap at the bottom right and tap on OK in the pop-up. Tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner, and that way you'll be able to clear your cache data on your Spotify app. If you are aware of your Spotify credentials, then you can also try clearing your data by tapping Clear Data at the bottom left. Once you proceed with this option, the application's data will be deleted permanently, which includes files, settings, accounts, databases. So if you don't know your credentials, do not proceed with this step. If you do, you'll need to reset your account. But if you remember your credentials, you can simply tap OK, and now, once you've cleared out the data too, tap open Spotify application from your app drawer and log in by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you might be able to solve your issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Spotify application from your Android device by press and hold the application and tap it on uninstall. Confirm uninstallation for the application by tapping OK in the pop-up. And once you get rid of the application from your Android device, go back to Play Store, re-download the application, and once you've downloaded it, tap on the open button and launch your app open, and that might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to use your Spotify because it's showing you black screen on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.